Hello everyone, it's Hazel from SnapShot.
Today I'm making parathas, which are traditional Indian flatbreads, particularly popular in northern India.
Their fillings are as varied as their name, and because they're a flatbread, they're much quicker and easier than naan bread, which needs time to rise. To make 6 parathas, you'll need 100 grams of plain flour and 100 grams of wholemeal flour. If you want a more authentic Indian flavour, you can use gram flour. Then a pinch of salt, some vegetable oil and 100 ml of room temperature water or milk. Mix the flours together, then add a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and the milk or water. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it forms a dough.
Once you've started to mix the dough, it may be best just to use your hands to bring it together. And if it still feels dry, you can add a little bit of water, just bit by bit, until it properly comes together.
Put the dough on a floured surface and knead until smooth.
Best way to knead dough is by grabbing the edge of the dough, pushing your palm down and stretching it out, and then rolling the dough back, doing the same again.
Once kneaded, leave the dough to rest for 20 minutes. Divide the dough into 6 and roll into circles only a few millimeters thick.
The best bit about this recipe is getting inventive with the fillings.
They can be filled with raisins and cashews or honey for dessert, or they can be stuffed with cheese, chilies, onion, tomato, garlic and minced meat, but make sure any meat is cooked first.
Spread the fillings onto one half of the dough, fold them over, and then fold them over again.
Roll out the quarters until they're a few millimeters thick, then heat up a large pan or traditional tava with a bit of oil. Cook for about 2 minutes until both sides are brown. You can serve them on their own with butter, but since they're so quick, I always whip some up whenever I'm having a curry and make plenty more for lunch the next day. I hope you enjoy these. Make sure you subscribe and check out the SnapShot website. I hope you're happy and well, and I'll see you soon.